take advantage of being on a motorbike. So good morning folks, in fact good afternoon. Oh shit. Look at this car parked in the motorcycle only bay. Typical thoughtless asshole drivers. Oh, this key keeps getting stuck, it's quite annoying. I figured don't put the top box key on the keyring for the bike, then I'll always lock the top box. So far so good in theory. So I'm just getting into Infinity Motorcycles here. Had a wee problem with my helmet. Not this one, so I'll talk about that once I'm back in the bike. So starting again, I'm just getting into Infinity Motorcycles Glasgow to pick up a little part for my Scorpion XO 510. The little lever that operates the drop down visors, sun-spec things, broke off on me. So I'd phoned up J&S Accessories in Hamilton, that's my local, or my closest shop to home. I knew they sold Scorpion lids, so I figured I would get one from there. I phoned them up, they said, oh, you'd need to send it back to Scorpion. And I thought, don't be ridiculous. So I went on YouTube and I found a video that showed me how to replace it, and thought, well, there you go, I don't need to send it back. I'll phone Infinity Motorcycles in Glasgow and see what they say. I'll order you one in, pal. So he'd emailed the actual supplier and said, or explained the situation. They said they'd send me one free of charge. So I need to just come into the store and pick it up. Alright, buddy. Aye, exactly. The last time I came, that's exactly the scenario, by the way.
Lovely.
Ah, cheers.
Yeah. I like the graphite grey on it.
It's a wee bit different.
Eh?
It's a wee bit different.
Yeah.
Meteor, very nice. Oh, they're good actually. I would nearly bought a Himalayan instead of that actually.
Yeah, because I've got a Honda 500 I bought last year. Which are more nippier than that, but this is nice to nick about.
Bizarrely enough, I've got a 500 Honda as well.
I've got a CB.
I've got an F as well.
Is it?
And the white tank with the red and the blue.
Well, I've got sort of a lighter colour than that. Sort of a light graphite grey.
Yep. Ah, very good.
So, and I put an upper floor exhaust on it as well. And
I couldn't afford one of them. I could buy a Black Widow.
to make the same noise.
Very nice. I was just talking to the chap that owns it, and he loves it. And bizarrely enough, he was telling me he had a wee 500 Honda at home as well. So I left him a couple of stickers stuck on his quad lock there, in case he doesn't believe me. So there we go, Infinity Motorcycles Glasgow. There we go, I didn't even get any footage of them. Very helpful. Very helpful. Got me my spare part for my, must be 3+ years old. my Scorpion XO 510. So no charge. Compliments of the manufacturer. But no, what had happened is they sent me the wrong one, so I picked it up and I thought that's not the right one right away. But I thought maybe they've changed it or modified it or something. So I took it away to try and it was nowhere near going to fit. Nice. 310R model. So I shall just cut down through Glasgow, although there's hundreds of roads shut because there's some pedal cycling convention going on. Don't know what you call it. Oh, stuff not fastened my strap on my glove. So while I'm out and it's dry and pretty sunny, I thought I'd give you a walk round of all the bits I've done, all the mods, all the upgrades I've done on the G310 GS. We'll start right here. Bigfoot side stand extension. Side stand kill switch. Protection case. It did have a little plastic one on it as standard, but that's far better. We have got a Givenchy 30 litre top box. It's just the one with the universal plate. I've also fitted a new oil cap, a rear brake pedal, oversized pedal. This was actually supposed to go here, as I bought a pair of them, but then I noticed they actually sell this one and I quite like these, so I just thought just leave them as they are. I've also fitted, oh, nearly forgot this one, little brake fluid reservoir cap cover. Skid plate, which is amazing. I'm really pleased with that. Fender extender, and I've also got a mesh grill type headlight protector to protect this little LED unit. I don't know if I've mentioned before, it's £1,100 for one of them, so well worth spending. I think it was £15 or something for the cover for it, so I'll be getting that on shortly. I've also got some wheel graphics to put on, so I won't be rushing them. And I already noted that the front wheel was 19 inch and the back wheel was 17 inch, so there's going to be a variation in them stickers. So currently at Drumpellier Park, and there's an ice cream van, so I think I'll be going over for a 99. I won't share it with you because that would just be mean. On you go. So that was pretty spectacular. Ice cream. I always taste that bit better when the sun's out. Back on the move again. So I don't know where I'm going to end up today. I'm actually contemplating going home and swapping bikes, because my wee 500, try again, my big 500 has not been ridden since, I think it was the Sunday, no, it must have been the Monday after I come back from Mull. I took it home and swapped it with the GS, or I took the GS up to the work, then took the Honda back down at the house. So it'll be needing a ride. I started it a couple of days ago. It's the easiest starting bike I've ever owned out the 5 that I've owned so far. It just, on the button, you barely have to touch the button and that's it started. Some other bikes, the Kawasaki was a bit iffy to start sometimes. Then my dad, I don't even know what he'd done, he altered something on it. And it seemed to start a little bit better, but still not as good as the Honda. I watched a video yesterday actually where a guy had bought one of these, brand new. I think he'd done 30, he's in Australia, he'd done 30 kilometres, about 20 mile I think, and it wouldn't start. He had to trailer it home and trailer it to the dealer, and it turned out to be a starter motor. Just a dodgy starter motor. So these things happen with electronics. So you can't really blame anybody for stuff like that. It's just your luck sometimes. So I'm sure over the years this has happened with most brands with electrical parts going wrong, whether it be Japanese, Chinese, Italian, German, American, or even Indian. Had a guy actually come up to me recently at a meet and tell me that this was an Indian, and I said, go check out this guy, hey Uncle Red. So peace out folks, take it easy, cheers for watching, and yeah, I know these are made in India.